Hello everyone, welcome back to Arpita's Tech Corner. In this video, we are going to learn about how we can create some tables in PostgreSQL. First, you need to log into this PostgreSQL area and go to the database which we have created in our earlier video and go to the under the schema. There is a schema is like public. Now we will start to create some tables. So go to these tables, right click, create table. Okay, so give some name here, customer, and go to the column section. Here you can add some column name, customer ID, select the data type. Okay, I'm using this character varying length 20 and make it as a primary key. Another column, customer name. I'm selecting the same character varying and length is 100. Now, do we have to do anything else? Okay, now save it. Okay, so now my customer table is created. And okay, here we have these different properties. Just right click, view or edit data and all rows. There is no data obviously. So by default you will not get anything. So now when I did all rows, then the select query is populated. Now we need to import some data there. Go to this import and export data area. Select the file name. Like I have this customer.csv where I have the data. So I'm selecting that CSV file. CSV format. Do I need to select? No, I don't need to. Just okay. Okay, just check the columns. Okay, customer ID and customer name. Both are same. Okay. See the process completed. Okay. Let me check. Okay, it's finished. Now just right click. Okay, before you can switch over from this dashboard and process section and you can go to this SQL section where you can get this create table query also about this customer. Now right click and all rows. You can observe all rows is giving the select query, select star from the table name, and you can see all the data is there. Okay, so my table is populated with the required information. Now in the similar way, you need to create all other tables and you have to import the data. Don't worry, I'll provide you the CSV file and all the details. So you just need to follow the steps. What are the tables we have? These sales, product, geography, and order table. Okay, yep, sorry, order date and the ship date. Okay, so you have to create all the tables. Before proceed to the next step, you need to create all the tables. So in our next video, we will learn more about this SQL journey. Thank you. Thanks for watching.